Are you worried about losing your job to AI? Welcome to Neuro Rated, your go-to channel for all things AI and tech trends. Today, we're talking about something huge that's going to blow your minds: AI taking over jobs. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But guys, this is real and it's happening faster than you think. We're talking about robots and algorithms doing the jobs humans do right now. I know what you're thinking. Said, is my job safe? Well, that's what we're going to find out. In this video, we're diving deep into the future, looking at 10 jobs that AI might completely replace by the year 2030. That's less than 10 years away. Are you ready to see if your job is on the line? Let's do this.
First up, we've got customer service representatives. Now, we've all been there, right? Stuck on hold for hours, listening to that terrible elevator music, just waiting to talk to a real human. But what if I told you that in the future, there might not be any humans left to answer your call? AI-powered chatbots are becoming so advanced that they can understand your questions, respond in a natural way, and even understand your emotions. These bots are working 24/7. They don't need bathroom breaks, and they never get tired of dealing with angry customers. Imagine calling up your internet provider because your Wi-Fi is down. We've all been there. And instead of waiting forever to talk to a rep, you get an AI chatbot that instantly helps you troubleshoot the problem. It's faster, it's more efficient, and let's be honest, sometimes might even be less frustrating. Companies are already using these chatbots, and they're only getting better. So, if you work in customer service, it might be time to start thinking about your next move. But hey, maybe you can train the AI that takes your job. Now that's some meta-level stuff right there.
Next up, we've got data entry clerks. Now this one might not be as glamorous as some of the other jobs on this list, but it's a job that millions of people rely on. But here's the thing. Data entry is, let's face it, kind of boring. It's repetitive. It requires a lot of attention to detail, and it's the kind of job that makes you want to tear your hair out sometimes. But guess what? AI loves data. AI thrives on data. It's like feeding a gremlin after midnight, but instead of turning into a monster, AI just gets really, really good at its job. AI can process massive amounts of data at lightning speed and with incredible accuracy. Think about all those forms you have to fill out online, all those spreadsheets that need updating. AI can do all of that in a fraction of the time it takes a human. And the best part? AI never makes typos. So, if you're a data entry clerk, it might be time to brush up on your coding skills or start thinking about a career change.
All right, let's be real. Nobody likes getting calls from telemarketers. You're just sitting down to dinner, phone rings, and it's someone trying to sell you something you don't need. But what if I told you those annoying calls might soon be a thing of the past? AI-powered systems can now make phone calls, understand your responses, and even tailor their sales pitch based on your tone of voice. They can handle thousands of calls simultaneously, and they never get discouraged when someone hangs up on them, which, let's be honest, happens a lot. Now, I know what you're thinking. But said, won't those AI calls be just as annoying as the human ones? Maybe, but here's the thing, AI can learn. With each call, it can figure out what works and what doesn't, eventually becoming so good at sales that you might actually find yourself buying something.
Next up, we've got bookkeepers. Now, managing finances is serious business. You need to be accurate, detail-oriented, and you definitely don't want to mess up those spreadsheets. But what if I told you that AI could soon be handling your finances better than you ever could? AI-powered accounting software is already being used by businesses of all sizes, and it's only getting more sophisticated. These programs can track expenses, generate invoices, and even predict future financial trends. Imagine having an AI financial advisor that can tell you exactly where your money is going, identify areas where you can save, and even invest your money for you. Sounds pretty good, right? But for bookkeepers, this could mean a major shift in the job market.
All right, let's talk about receptionists. They're the friendly faces that greet you when you walk into an office, answer your questions, and connect you with the right person. But what if I told you that the next time you walk into an office, you might be greeted by a robot? AI-powered virtual assistants are becoming increasingly common, and they're capable of handling many of the tasks that receptionists currently do. They can answer phones, schedule appointments, and even direct you to the right office. And the best part? They never get tired of answering the same questions over and over again. Where's the bathroom? Can I speak to Mr. Smith? An AI receptionist will handle it all with a digital smile.
Next up, we've got proofreaders. These are the grammar gurus, the spelling superheroes, the people who make sure your writing is clear, concise, and error-free. But what if I told you that AI is coming for their red pens? AI-powered grammar and spelling checkers are already incredibly advanced. They can catch typos, grammatical errors, and even suggest better word choices. And they're only getting better. Imagine writing an email, hitting send, and having an AI instantly proofread it for you, ensuring that your message is polished and professional. No more embarrassing typos, no more awkward grammar mistakes. Just perfect writing every time.
Chapter 7. Let's face it, retail is changing. With the rise of online shopping, brick-and-mortar stores are having to get creative to stay afloat. But what if I told you that the future of retail might not involve any humans at all? Imagine walking into a store where robots greet you, help you find what you're looking for, and even ring up your purchases. No more waiting in line, no more awkward small talk with cashiers, just a seamless, automated shopping experience. This might sound like science fiction, but it's already happening. Stores around the world are experimenting with AI-powered robots and self-checkout kiosks, and it's only a matter of time before these technologies become the norm.
All right, let's talk about transportation, specifically taxis. We've all been there, hailing a cab, hoping the driver knows where they're going, and maybe even making awkward small talk along the way. But what if I told you that the next time you need a ride, you might not be riding with a human at all? Self-driving cars are no longer a thing of the future. They're here, they're on our roads, and they're only getting smarter. Companies like Tesla, Google, and Uber are investing billions of dollars in self-driving technology, and it's only a matter of time before these vehicles become commonplace. Imagine ordering a ride, getting picked up by a sleek, self-driving car, and being whisked away to your destination without ever having to utter a word to a human driver. It's the future of transportation, and it's closer than you think.
Manufacturing has always been a major source of employment, but what happens when robots are faster, more efficient, and cheaper than human workers? Welcome to the age of automation, where robots are taking over factory floors around the world. These aren't your grandpa's robots either. We're talking about sophisticated machines that can perform complex tasks with incredible precision. They can weld, paint, assemble, and even inspect products with minimal human intervention. And the best part, for companies at least, robots don't need sleep, they don't take breaks, and they never complain about working conditions. This is great news for efficiency and productivity, but for human workers, it could mean a future of uncertainty.
Finally, let's talk about market research analysts. These are the people who analyze data, identify trends, and help companies understand what consumers want. But what if I told you that AI could soon be doing all of this and more? AI-powered market research tools can analyze massive data sets from a variety of sources, including social media, online forums, and even point-of-sale systems. They can identify patterns and trends that humans would miss, and they can make predictions about future consumer behavior with remarkable accuracy. Imagine having access to an AI that can tell you exactly what products people will be buying next year, what marketing campaigns will be most effective, and even what the next big fashion trend will be. That's the power of AI, and it's transforming the world of market research.
So, there you have it. 10 jobs that AI might replace by 2030. It's a lot to take in, right? But here's the thing, while AI might be coming for our jobs, it's also creating new opportunities. As AI takes over tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or just plain boring, it frees up humans to focus on more creative, strategic, and fulfilling work. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which job replacement surprised you the most and what you think about the future of work in the age of AI. Stay tuned for more exciting content. And until next time, keep exploring the future.